The ultra-containment wall is a modular system used to provide spill containment for frac tanks, chemical storage tanks, and other large vessels. The systems are built on-site using straight wall sections and corner sections. Because the system is modular, the containment area can be just about any size or shape needed. Simply determine the amount of space or containment needed, clear any obstructions from the area, and you're ready to start building. The first step in assembling an ultra-containment wall system is to lay out the liner. The 30 mil textured polyethylene material is heavy-duty, rugged, and built to last. With the liner unfolded and laid out to the approximate system dimensions, the straight wall sections and corners are now ready to be brought in and connected to form the structure of the system. The all-polyethylene, roto-molded sections are durable enough to withstand the daily rigors commonly seen on site, but lightweight enough that they can be installed without lifting equipment. The walls and corners of the system lock together quickly and easily without the use of tools. By inserting the molded-in peg of one section into the hole of the adjoining section, the pieces are securely connected. Once 3 walls have been assembled, unfold the liner and lay it over the walls of the system. The liner should then be secured in place using the included clips. This can be done by simply pushing down firmly or with a rubber or wooden mallet. Load vehicles, equipment, or tanks into the containment area. After loading the area, install the final wall and secure the liner using the included clips. If desired, the liner can be trimmed for a more finished appearance. Assembly of the ultra-containment wall system is now complete.